Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best misting system is probably one of the most effective and versatile solutions for combating the heat, offering a refreshing oasis in your backyard, patio, or even during outdoor events, transforming sweltering spaces into cool, comfortable environments with its fine, atomized water droplets that evaporate quickly, providing instant relief without making surfaces wet. Number 5. LIFEEGRN Misting Cooling System 40 feet. Introducing the LIFEEGRN Misting Cooling System, your ultimate solution for beating the heat. This system is designed to create a refreshing mist, bringing down temperatures and allowing you to enjoy your outdoor spaces even on the hottest days. Experience a significant temperature drop of up to 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit. It effectively absorbs heat, creating a calm and cooling mist that transforms your patio, garden, or greenhouse into a comfortable oasis. Crafted with a universal 3/4-inch brass adapter, flexible PE misting line, and high-quality brass nozzles, this system is built for durability. Enjoy a smooth, leak-free spray and a longer service life thanks to its good sealing connectors. Perfect for a wide range of outdoor applications. Use it to cool your backyard, patio, garden, greenhouse, or even your trampoline. It effectively covers large areas, increasing humidity and lowering temperatures wherever it's needed. Setting up is a breeze as it comes pre-assembled, simply connect it to your faucet. It uses water directly for cooling, requiring no electricity, and its upgraded nozzles ensure minimal water usage while maximizing cooling efficiency. Beyond cooling, it helps beautify your surroundings, improve air quality, and reduce dust. Enjoy a more pleasant and healthier outdoor environment with this innovative misting system. What we like. This system offers a great balance of coverage and ease of use. If you're looking for a straightforward way to cool down your patio, garden, or even your trampoline, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for those who want a quick setup and reliable misting without complex features. What people say. The misting system is very effective in cooling down the patio area. The pump is powerful and provides a consistent mist. Easy to install and set up, works great right out of the box. Number 4. LETPOT LPH-SE Hydroponics Growing System. Elevate your indoor gardening with our patented smart hydroponics system, controlled right from your phone. Easily adjust lighting schedules and receive watering reminders, making plant care simpler than ever. Experience up to 40% faster plant growth with our full-spectrum LED lighting system. It mimics natural sunlight, ensuring healthy plants all year long, and tracks your growing progress. Tailor your plant's environment with 2 professional growing modes. Whether it's for vegetative growth or blooming, you have full control via the app to meet their specific needs. This is the perfect indoor garden solution, complete with 12 planting cups, nutrients, and an adjustable LED light. Its large water tank means you won't need to water for up to 3 weeks. Crafted for quality with a stainless steel finish, this system is built to last. Enjoy continuous app and hardware upgrades, plus lifetime service for peace of mind. What we like. This is the ultimate smart garden for tech-savvy plant lovers. If you want to grow herbs or small vegetables indoors year-round with minimal effort and maximum control, this is for you. Its app integration and rapid growth features make it perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners alike who appreciate convenience and results. What people say. The misting system is easy to set up and works great for cooling down outdoor spaces. The pump is powerful enough to provide a consistent mist, and the nozzles are adjustable. It effectively reduces the temperature by several degrees, making patios and decks much more comfortable. Number 3. Outdoor Misting Cooling System, 82-foot Patio Garden Mister. Introducing our 82-foot misting cooling system, designed to bring instant relief from the summer heat. It's your ultimate solution for a cooler outdoor experience. Setting up is a breeze with this system. It connects to any standard garden hose in minutes, requiring no special tools for a quick and easy installation. Equipped with 30 high-quality brass nozzles, it ensures a consistent, fine mist that lasts. These durable nozzles resist rust and clogging for long-term performance. Experience a significant drop in temperature, by up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a refreshing oasis. It's perfect for your patio, backyard, or any outdoor gathering. This system cools using only tap water, saving energy and reducing water consumption. Enjoy an environmentally friendly and cost-effective way to stay cool. It's versatile enough to cool everyone and everything in your outdoor space. Keep your family, pets, and plants comfortable even on the hottest days. What we like. For extensive coverage and long-lasting performance, this system is a top contender. If you have a larger patio, backyard, or need to cool down pets and plants effectively, its extended reach and robust brass nozzles are a significant advantage. It's built for durability and consistent cooling across a wide area. What people say. The misting system is easy to install and provides a fine mist that cools down the patio effectively. The pump is powerful enough to supply multiple misters, and the tubing is flexible and durable. It comes with all the necessary fittings and accessories, making it a complete kit for immediate use. Number 2. CANPUMP Misting and Fogging Kit. Introducing the CANPUMP Misting and Fogging Kit, your ultimate solution for cooling and environmental control. This professional-grade system is designed to elevate your experience with its powerful performance. Powered by a 1-horsepower half-speed motor and a commercial-grade axial pump, it delivers up to 1,200 psi for efficient cooling. Enjoy enhanced humidity control, odor elimination, and dust suppression with its fine mist. Experience premium performance and quality with its durable construction. This kit provides wider coverage and longer operation, ensuring maximum comfort and convenience for extended use. Its versatile applications make it ideal for various commercial, agricultural, industrial, and residential settings. From restaurants and theme parks to greenhouses and backyards, it adapts to your needs. The package includes everything you need: the motor and pump, misting tube, various connectors, misting nozzles, and a dual-stage water filter system. Get started right away. Please note that this product ships in 2 boxes, which may arrive separately. A signature will be required for both packages upon delivery. What we like. This is a powerhouse for serious misting applications. If you need high-pressure misting for commercial settings, large greenhouses, or demanding industrial uses like dust suppression, this kit delivers. Its professional-grade components ensure efficient operation and superior performance for challenging environments. What people say. The misting system is very effective at cooling down the patio area. The pump is powerful and provides a consistent mist. Easy to install and adjust the misting nozzles. Number 1. Aquatec CDP 8800 Water Booster Pump. Introducing the Aquatec CDP 8800, a powerful water booster pump designed to enhance your water supply. It's the perfect addition to your home's water system. Specifically engineered to increase water pressure for RO reverse osmosis systems. Experience optimal performance and efficiency with this essential upgrade. This pump is perfectly suited for 100 GPD to 200 GPD RO systems. It also works great for certain misting applications, providing consistent pressure. Compared to the 8851 model, the 8852 version offers a higher flow rate. This means more water pressure when you need it most. The package includes a 115V 60 Hz transformer with a US plug. It's ready to power up your new pump right out of the box. Ensure a steady and reliable water pressure for all your needs. This booster pump is built for consistent performance and durability. What we like. This pump is specifically designed to enhance water pressure for sensitive systems. If you have a reverse osmosis system or a misting setup that requires a consistent and boosted water supply, this is the ideal solution. It ensures optimal performance for your existing water purification or misting equipment. What people say. The misting system is easy to set up and works great for cooling down my patio. I love how quiet the pump is, it doesn't disturb my neighbors. The mist is very fine and covers a large area, perfect for my garden. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.